The devices over here, let's keep that there. And here is a small screw kind of stuff, which I still don't know how to fit that, but yeah, I will show you. Let me read the manual bit and I'll be back. Okay, I'm back, and I found after some time that why they gave actually this nut. As you can see, if you rotate this thing, this comes out, okay, and goes back. If you throw the air in it, you can see the voice. Saw that? So adjust the voice a little bit different. What you need to do is just screw it, and as you can see, there is one hole over here. Okay, after you're done fixing it like so, as you want, because the pipe goes out and in bit and sound changes a little bit, then after that there you can see that there is one hole. The whole side will go up, and you just go here and screw it, and this is actually a screwdriver kind of stuff. Just do like so, okay, until it fits nicely, okay, like so. And yeah, now that screw it totally tight, and now this will not come out. It is jammed now. Okay, that's what this thing was. And yeah, nice, perfect. And yeah, now we will fit this into our car's muffler, and I'll make a video of that also, so let me do that. Okay, I'm back, and now how to set this stuff out. Okay, you just need one stuff like this, or take your another stuff. So yeah, hinge over here, as you can see there are two nuts over there. Just let it go, this stuff like this, into it with a silencer, and yep, and then just you fit it. So let me fit it and we'll see how it sounds. Okay, I'm back, and as you can see that I have tightened it, and now I will just fire my engine and let's see how it sounds like. As you can see, it sounds like a turbo. Yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you later, guys.